Let's start with a quick look at the box. Right away, Eufy highlights the main features. Fingerprint unlocking with AI recognition. Built-in Wi-Fi. Up to 8 months of battery life. Support for multiple users where you can add or remove access anytime. Remote control through the app. 6 total ways to unlock the door. And support for Google Home and Amazon Alexa. Now let's open the box. First, the back panel. It's solid plastic and feels well built. There's a rubber seal on the top, which helps with weather and water resistance. Next is the front panel. This one is solid metal and feels premium. The connection wire is well insulated for outdoor use. The entire back of the front panel is covered with rubber, which helps it sit flush against the door and improves water resistance. You also get a mounting plate. This connects the front and back panels through the door. 2 long, sturdy screws are included to pull everything tight and seal the lock properly. I really like that Eufy added rubber isolation here for better fit and weather protection. The manual is included, but the installation details are limited. You'll need to download the full instructions online. Inside the box you'll also find 8 batteries. That's a great addition since many smart locks don't include batteries. There's a standard door latch that supports 60 to 70 mm doors. All screws are included, and you also get 1 pair of physical keys. Everything needed for installation is included. Let's start installing. First, install the door latch. Make sure the arrow on the latch is pointing upward. My door uses a 60 mm backset, so I don't need to extend the latch. Use the 2 provided screws to secure the latch to the door. I'm using an electric screwdriver, but a manual screwdriver works just fine. Once installed, make sure the latch is tight and doesn't move. Now install the front panel. Feed the cable through the hole below the latch. Make sure the T-shaped tailpiece fits into the T-shaped slot on the latch. Next, take the back mounting plate. Align it with the tailpiece and the cable. Make sure the rubber side of the plate is facing the door. Use the two long screws to connect the front panel to the mounting plate. Tighten them evenly until everything feels secure. Now let's install the back panel. Remove the battery cover first. Connect the cable from the front panel into the red slot on the back panel. Push it in until you hear a click. Align the back panel with the front panel and fasten the small black screws. This part can be a bit tricky, so a manual screwdriver works best here. Once the back panel is secured, insert all 8 batteries. After the last battery is installed, you should hear a beep. That confirms the lock has power. Now let's do a quick test. Turn the interior thumb, turn left and right. You should see the latch lock and unlock smoothly. Test the physical keys as well. If everything moves cleanly, the installation is successful. That wraps up the installation and hardware review. Next, we'll move on to app setup and Wi-Fi configuration for remote control. Check out the next video for a quick Wi-Fi setup guide. One quick thing I want to point out from the manual. Eufy recommends operating temperatures between -20 Celsius and 50 Celsius. That range is a bit odd. Depending on where you live, temperatures can go below or above that pretty easily, especially in extreme winters or very hot summers. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something worth keeping in mind if you're installing this lock in an area with harsh weather conditions.